Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a two stars Sudoku. Not in today's newspaper of Saturday, November the 12th, 2022. Told you earlier, we have no additional, no extra puzzles in the Saturday edition. No, it's the edition of Friday. Yeah, yesterday's newspaper, Friday, November the 11th, 2022. We have two puzzles left. The Cypher Block Tectonic with 1 star and the Two Stars Sudoku. This one I've already solved a minute ago. Tough one, this one. Anyway, the Two Stars Sudoku number 54701. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about these three missing numbers in the middle row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. And look, we have the 3 in this big square and the 8 in this column, so no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. So one digit left in this middle row for number 9. Alright. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So the column between second column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay, 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. Then, the 3 in this row, the 3 in the middle row, so the row below, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 8, 8, okay. Let me think. No 8 there. Here should be the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number in the first column is number 8. We have an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. Here in this row, we have also an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this first column should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there, 8 should be there. Cannot continue with 8, but let me start with the 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7. 467, 467, 467. And look, we have a 7 in this column. So no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. So the 4 and the 6 are left. 4 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. 4 and the 6. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I need a 1 in this row. Here can be a 1 because it's reserved for the 4 and the 6. So the 1 could be here or there. We see another 1 in this column. So no 1 there. 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 6. Okay. 4, 6 and 7 is missing. Yeah, 7 is missing. 7, 7. Alright. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this first column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 in these two boxes. Here, 2 in this column, no 2 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digital 1, number 1. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 479, 479, 479. And look, we have a 9 in this column. So no 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. So the 4 and the 7 are left. 4 and the 7, we have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes there. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 3 in the first row, the 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column. So no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 in this column. Last column. 3 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second column. No 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright, 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. So no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers In the second column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 and the 5. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. No. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Okay, 9. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in the middle column, the 4 and the 9. I believe 4 and the 9. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 9. 2 missing numbers these 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. How about those 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier. The 6 and the 4. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4. It goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. Now we have a 7 in this row, so this box can be 7 or more. That box should be a 7. 1 box left in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 2 goes, and there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, if you compare with the puzzle, previous puzzle, well, told you that the digits, I have no problems with the digits, but with the letters, more problems. All right, 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. Cijferblok in Dutch. English, tectonic. Japanese, Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.